Fix Call of Duty Black Ops III safe mode error. Your game did not shut down properly. Fix. Step 1. Restart your PC. Close Black Ops 3 completely. Restart your computer properly. Launch the game normally again. Step 2. Choose No on safe mode prompt. When safe mode appears, click No first. Let the game start with normal settings. Check if the error disappears afterward. Step 3. Verify game files. Open Steam library. Right-click Black Ops 3 properties. Use Verify integrity of game files. Step 4. Delete corrupted config files. Open Documents, Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Find the Players or Config folder. Delete damaged config files carefully. Step 5. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software. Install latest GPU drivers. Restart your PC after updating. Harsharp Step 6. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord and Xbox Game Bar overlays. Close OBS or recording applications. End unnecessary apps in Task Manager. Step 7. Run the game as administrator. Right-click blackops3.exe. Select Run as Administrator. Allow permissions if Windows asks. Step 8. Check for Windows updates. Open Windows Update settings. Install pending updates completely. Restart your PC after installation. Step 9. Disable full screen optimizations. Right-click blackops3.exe, Properties, open Compatibility tab. Check Disable full screen optimizations. Step 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall Black Ops 3 completely. Delete leftover cache and config files. Install a fresh, updated version again.